morning. My name is Jens Sylvestersen. I'm here at Mbalakay camp here in Serengeti together with our first visitors since COVID-19 started its outbreak. And I came here to be sure that the staff of the camps here in Tanzania, in Serengeti, that they're handling the situation very professional. So when we arrived here yesterday afternoon, when we came out of the car, the staff came and sanitized our luggage. After that, we could go to a water station with soap to wash our hands. After that, we got sanitizer. Very happy as a director of a safari company here in Tanzania that I can send clients here to Mbalakay camp and they can feel safe and there's no problem here in Tanzania. And here in Mbalakay camp, it's very nice rooms with a very good view. I woke up this morning, outside the tent there was elephants. Yesterday evening, I will never forget, they put up a very nice fire after dinner and the staff came and danced and sang for us. It was very nice and very beautiful.